Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You.
And I'm Alice. Hi, everyone.
Alice, before we start today, I have a question for you. Has anyone ever made you feel small?
Oh, yes. Last week, actually. I shared my idea at work, and my colleague said, "Oh, that's cute."
That's cute?
Yes, cute. Like I was 5 years old.
And what did you say?
I said, nothing. I just smiled. And inside, I felt so bad.
You smiled, but inside you felt terrible.
Yes, and then I went home. And I kept thinking about it. Why didn't I say anything? Why couldn't I speak?
Still thinking about it at home?
At 2 a.m., James.
Oh no.
I was lying in bed, thinking about it again and again.
I know that feeling. And I think everyone listening right now knows that feeling.
Right?
That moment when you needed words and nothing came out. Today, we fix that.
Please help us.
Today, 3 things. 1. Why this happens to you. 2. How to think about it. 3. What to say in English.
Only 3?
Only 3. But these 3 things, they will change how you feel and how you speak.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alice, let me ask you something. When that person said, "That's cute," what happened to your English?
It just went away, completely gone.
Why do you think that happened?
Because I was angry and embarrassed?
Yes, exactly. When someone makes us feel small, our brain tries to protect us. It says, "Danger, stop, don't speak." So we can't think, we can't speak. This is true in your first language. In English, 10 times worse.
10 times. Yes, that is so real.
So here is the most important thing today. Are you ready?
Ready.
The problem is not your English.
Wait, say that again?
The problem is not your English.
Then what is the problem?
The problem is your state.
My state? What does that mean?
Good question. Let me explain simply. Your state means how you feel inside. Happy, angry, calm, scared. That is your state.
Oh, so state just means my feeling right now?
Yes, exactly. When your state is calm, simple English comes out. When your state is upset, even simple words disappear.
So the feeling controls the words?
The feeling controls everything.
That is actually shocking.
Most people think, I need more words, more grammar. But the real answer is, I need to feel calmer first.
So I don't need more English. I need more calm?
You need both, but calm comes first.
Okay, but how? When someone is being rude to me?
That is exactly the right question. And this is where old wisdom comes in. There is an ancient saying, thousands of years old. The wise person does not react. The wise person responds.
React, respond. What is the difference?
Okay, very simply. React means you get angry fast. You do it without thinking. Someone says something bad, you feel it right away. Your face changes, your voice changes. You can't stop it.
Yes, that is me 100%.
Respond means you stop first, then you choose, then you speak.
Stop, choose, speak.
Yes, that's it.
That sounds easy when you say it like that.
It sounds easy, but it takes practice. The pause, that small moment of stopping, that is the most powerful thing you can do.
Just pause?
Just pause.
That's the secret?
That is the secret. Wise people knew this thousands of years ago.
Huh, okay. What about the other person, though?
What do you mean?
Like, why do people do this? Why does someone say, that's cute, to make me feel small?
Great question. Here is something important. People who do this, they need to compare. They feel better when someone else feels smaller.
That sounds kind of sad, actually.
It is sad. It really is. Here is another old wisdom. A truly strong person does not need to make others feel weak.
So strong people don't do this.
Strong people don't need to. Only people who are not strong inside do this to others.
Not strong inside, so they feel bad about themselves?
Yes, deep inside.
Oh, wow. So when my colleague said, that's cute, they were actually showing their own weakness?
Exactly right.
That makes me feel actually better.
Hold that feeling, because here is the key message. Don't play their game.
Don't play their game.
Their game is simple. Make you feel small, watch you react, feel powerful. If you react strongly, they win. If you stay calm, the game is over.
The game is over. I really like that.
You are not their player anymore.
I'm not their player anymore.
Hey, everyone listening right now, have you ever met this kind of person? At work, at school, in your family? Tell us your story in the comments. We read every single one.
Yes, and honestly, just writing it down helps too.
It really does. Okay, now the English part. Today we have 4 sentences.
Only 4?
Only 4. But remember what we said. Short English is strong English.
Short English is strong English. Okay.
Let's go. Sentence 1. I hear you.
I hear you. That's it?
That's it.
But wait, does that mean I agree with them?
No, and this is the beautiful part. I hear you means I heard your words. It does not mean you are right.
Oh, so I'm not saying yes, I'm just saying I heard you. That's all?
Exactly. You hear it and you stay calm.
Okay, let me try. Someone says, your idea is too simple. And I say, I hear you.
Perfect. Say it again with calm.
I hear you.
Good. One more time, slower.
I hear you.
Yes. Feel that? Calm, clean, strong.
I feel strong saying that.
That is your state changing. Sentence 2. That's one way to see it.
Ooh, that sounds smart.
It is smart. You are saying, yes, that is your view, but not, and you are right.
Can I try?
Please.
Someone says, you always make mistakes. And I say, that's one way to see it.
Beautiful. Calm. No fight. But you also did not agree.
Okay, wait, what if I say it like this? That's one way to see it, but you are completely wrong.
Oh, no. Stop.
Too much?
Too strong. You added a fight at the end.
Oh no, I ruined it.
It happens. That is the beginner mistake. The power is in stopping early. That's one way to see it. Full stop. Nothing more.
Nothing more. Okay, I understand now. Do I say this in real life, like actually?
Yes, absolutely in real life.
What if my voice shakes when I say it?
Good question. If your voice shakes, that is okay. Say it anyway. The words are still strong. Practice makes the voice stronger.
Okay, practice. Got it.
Say it again now.
That's one way to see it.
Again.
That's one way to see it.
Your voice is already stronger.
It is.
Sentence 3. I see things differently.
Oh, this one is more direct.
Yes, when you are ready to be a little more clear. This sentence says, I think differently. I don't have to agree with you, but I am not angry.
Like quiet confidence?
Exactly. Quiet confidence.
Okay, someone says, I don't think you can do this job. And I say, I see things differently.
And then, nothing. Stop there.
I stop? No explanation?
No explanation. The strongest response is often the shortest.
The strongest response is the shortest. But James, what if I can't say it fast enough? The moment passes and I miss it.
This is a very real problem and very common. Here is the truth. You don't have to be fast. Slow is okay. A pause before you speak is okay. Actually, a pause is good. It makes you look calm, confident.
Really? A slow answer looks confident?
Think about it. Who looks more confident? The person who talks fast and sounds nervous? Or the person who pauses, then speaks slowly, clearly?
Oh, the slow one for sure.
Exactly. Slow is okay. Calm is everything.
How many times should I practice these?
Every day, just once. Say all 4 sentences out loud every morning.
Just once a day?
Once a day, out loud. Your brain remembers. What your mouth has said, your brain keeps it.
My mouth teaches my brain. That's interesting.
That is how language works. Not in your head, out of your mouth. Last one. I'll take that into consideration.
Ooh, this one sounds very big.
It sounds professional, calm, final.
What does consideration mean?
Good, important question. Consideration means thinking carefully about something. So, I'll take that into consideration means I will think about it. Maybe or maybe not, but I decide, not you.
Wait, so I will think about it, but maybe I won't?
Yes, exactly. You decide, not them.
Oh, so I am in control.
You are always in control.
Let me try. Someone says, you should really change how you work. And I say, I'll take that into consideration. And then?
I smile and I move on.
Not smile and feel terrible, smile and move on.
Completely different energy.
Completely different person. Okay, wait, can I do all 4 together?
Go ahead.
Okay, someone is being difficult. I hear you. That's one way to see it. I see things differently. I'll take that into consideration.
You just became the calmest person in the room.
I feel like a completely different person.
This is old wisdom. Strong people used this for thousands of years, and now you use it too. Calm is not weakness. Calm is the highest form of strength.
The highest form of strength. I love that. Okay, let me do a quick summary. Today I learned, when someone looks down on me, the problem is not my English. The problem is my state, how I feel inside. When I am calm, words come out. When I am upset, even easy words disappear. And I learned people who do this are actually not strong inside, so I don't play their game. And the 4 sentences. I hear you. That's one way to see it. I see things differently. I'll take that into consideration. Short sentences, calm voice, strong message.
Alice, perfect summary. One small thing to add. These 4 sentences are not just English, they are a way of living. When you speak with calm, people feel it. They respect it, even when they don't show it. So say these sentences every day, not just for English, for yourself.
Oh, and everyone, don't forget the PDF. If you join the membership, you get today's full summary as a PDF. Honestly, I use mine all the time.
Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss next time. Next episode, how to open a conversation and make people feel good. The simple English words that open hearts.
I really need that one.
We all do. Thank you so much for being here today. Listen to this episode again. Each time you will understand more and feel stronger. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.